Hi guys, welcome to the homestead. Today we're planting potatoes, so let's go outside and take a look. I've got these 10-gallon potting bags here, and they were about $2 a piece on Amazon. I bought them as a lump of 9, and I've already filled them about halfway full of soil, loose soil, so the potatoes have room to grow and expand. And to make it, this is very neutral soil, so to make it more acidic, we're going to add our organic soil acidifier here. We're going to add 1.5 cups of it. Or the rest of the bag, because it's out. I've already done the other 8 pots over there. So, and then we're just going to mix it all in here so that our potatoes can have some nice, yummy, acidic soil. I'm going to do that with all of these bags. Alright, now before we're going to put our potatoes in here, I want to add some fertilizer, so I got to run and grab that out of the garage. Alright guys, so I'm back, and I didn't get the bag because it's in I put it in a 5-gallon bucket because it stinks once it's open, and it's a pretty good amount, but this is Hollytone, and it's a 434 fertilizer, and it said on the bag to put 1 cup for new plantings. So I'm going to put 1 cup of this in here, in each one of these. This is a 4-cup thing, but I think it really has about 5 cups in it. So I'll do this for each one of these. A little skimpy on these first 2. There we go. So that gave me 5 pots of mix there. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up and with the rest of the good stuff that we already put in here. And this should give our plants some nice acidic soil, and if we check it later in a few days and it's not acidic enough, we can always add some more soil acidifier. So this is where the roots are actually going to be. That's where you want the good stuff for them to be able to soak it up and eat it up and make your plants grow big. Alright, so now that I've done that, I'll plant my potatoes in here, and I'm doing it this way because I'm hoping that I can dump these out and then just get my potatoes from without having to dig anything up. So here I have some Purple Majesty potatoes, and these 2 first ones are going to be Purple Majesty, and then I'm going to plant some russets in the other ones and some reds in the other ones, but I thought these Purple Majesties looked like a lot of fun. So these are actually going to be the stems here. These buds are going to be the stems for our potatoes, so we want them pointing upwards so they can come right up out of the dirt. So I'm just going to push those down in there just like that, and I'm going to put 3 of them in this pot. And if it turns out to be a little too much, look at that one. That one's already really growing. Turns out to be too much, then I'll just thin them out a little bit. Alright, so look at that one. That's fun, isn't it? I'm not even sure how to plant that one. Okay, there we go. Alright, now I'm gonna go and get some dirt and we'll cover these up. Alright, so here you can see I got a dirt, and I'm just going to pour it in here gently over my potatoes like this. There we go. I'm going to be gentle with this one that's sticking up already here. Alright, now this pot can be filled up more, and I will put a little bit more dirt in here, but I'm not going to fill it all the way up because as your potatoes grow, you want to cover them a little bit more so that you don't have potatoes that are sticking out of the dirt. So I'm going to leave this like this, and I'm going to give it a good watering, and then as my shoots start to come up a little more, I'll put a little more dirt in there. So I'm going to do that with this one too, and then we'll check back in a few weeks, guys, and see how my potatoes are doing. Thanks for visiting the homestead.